I'm connected to my GitLab account and I'm going to create a new project which represents a new Git repository. I'll call it Git demo and hit the create button. Here is a newly created repo initialized with a readme.md file, which content is displayed here. A Git repository will generally be accessible remotely through a SSH or HTTPS clone URL that we can use to clone, or in other words, get a copy of the repo and add new files into it. Let's copy the SSH clone URL and clone the Git demo repository on my local Linux Ubuntu machine. I'm asked to validate the SSH connection. Let's say yes, and I get a permission denied. That's because the Git demo repository is private, so we need to authenticate. As we are using the repository SSH clone URL, we need a SSH key pair to configure the authentication. Let's generate the key. Now we need to get the public key and add it to the GitLab account. Let's clone the repository again. It worked. A Git demo directory containing the repo files has been created. This is our copy of the remote Git demo repository.